Okay, so today is 10th of May and I want to declutter and clean up my shoe collection. तो आज को घर पे नहीं है. I thought it's a good time to take you along. So if you are interested, let's clean out all of my shoes. I have like tons and you don't need this many. So I'm gonna do that along with you because I know you would like to watch the decluttering. I'm gonna first take out all of them and put it in my room, clean them, and then I'm gonna show you along. So let me show you how I first store them. So we have this cupboard right at the entrance of my house where we keep most of our shoes. Then we have this small thing like a shoe stand where we keep all our shoe. And then we have this which is like a daily wear, so like my gym wear, my everyday office wear, and one of my choppals. So this many would be out over here, and this is how the situation is. So now let's take it out and see. Not all of them are mine, like a lot of them are Samir's as well, and one or two are of Inaya's, but mine, most of them are mine. So keeping that in mind, isme the last one is not used, and this one is not used. बाकी ये दोनों मेरे हैं, but I don't like the way this is because I can't see them and I can't wear them. So yeah, I'm gonna now take all of them out and I'm gonna show you properly. Okay, so I have taken out all of the boxes over here, and these are all of my shoes. They are 18 pair of shoes. So first I'm gonna clean all of them, see if I want them, not want them, and then we will let you know which ones I'm keeping, and then we are going to clean only those. So definitely we don't need this many pairs, and the heels I don't wear at all. So yeah, let's clean. I have Inaya with me, my helper, so she's gonna help me clean up all of that, and let's get started. Let's start. Just pick random ones, okay? These ones. So they are good from the top. It's beautiful till here, but as you can see, they've just completely come off like this, and I think I should just yeah, I think I should give it away. And completely broken. But the diamonds and everything is still very good, and I have worn them enough. Like these were from Mochi, and they're very pretty, nice heels, so very comfortable also. But they have been worn a lot. Like I've given them a lot of love. Yeah, a lot. So a lot of love has been given to them. So they are going. Bye bye. Love you. Thank you. So this is in the dumping ground. Another pair that I don't wear since ages.
Here you go.
And these are the ones that I got in Aikura. Shade is coming. These are the ones I got from London, and they are huge. Look at the heel, and they are in a very good. They are from New Look. They look gorgeous. And can you wear them and show?
Oh.
Baby, it's very well maintained now all these years. So as you can see, they are amazing shape from New York, London, but the heels are huge. They're amazing, but as I said, we don't wear them. So I think I can give it away. Let me ask my friend if she wants, and then I can give it to her.
Alright.
Okay, so this I'm giving away to a friend, so she can use it because I no longer wear it, and they're in amazing shape. So this is giving away. The next pair of heels are here. So these are the black ones.
I can show you how it looks. It's
Yeah.
amazing.
The black velvet ones.
Then there's like one thing about it, it's gonna zip up.
Okay, so Inaya's wearing these huge ones as well. They are also very pretty. They are velvet and they have this thing at the cuff, right? But again, I don't wear it, so I'm gonna give this away to someone who can wear it. The heels are also huge on this one. Can you show the heels? These are also from London, and they are also going out. Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Next up, we've got these ones.
Green ones from Mochi. They are very pretty, and I don't wear them enough. I have worn them little, but I think I can wear them more.
You know what?
They're comfortable also.
Yeah, gee.
Please don't spoil them.
These are really pretty, right?
Very pretty.
And it has the green bow.
Turn around. The heels भी इतनी नहीं है. हाँ, see? Yeah, turn. Keep turning. ऐसा पूरा circle. Yeah. Okay. So definitely keeping this. Yeah, we can wear it. I'm gonna keep this. So these are the next pair, and these are from Lifestyle, and I used to wear these a lot as well, all for my formal things. Very comfortable, very pretty, very nice. But ये ना एक event में this had come off a little bit, so ये मूची के पास लेके जाना है. So I have one or two that needs a little bit of moochi calm, but I'm gonna definitely keep them. Yeah.
So
These are again my favorite pair of formals. They are again from Lifestyle and not very old and very kitten heels. I think they were like they are 1 year old, I think max, and I also wear them a lot. They're comfortable, they're nice and pretty.
and they are really, really nice
Yeah.
and soft.
And soft. So definitely keeping these as well. Okay, so these are my white Converse, my All Star.
Dirty, so we need wash them.
Yeah, this needs a little bit of washing. I bought them when we were going to Portugal, so 2018, and I love wearing these. Very comfortable, but I need to just wash them. So once I clean them, then I will be able to wear them again. You know white shoes, right? Like they become like this.
Very ganda, very ganda.
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep them.
Yeah, so we'll keep that here. That means what?
Keeps only. Let's just, yeah. This I
Let's-
think, this I can throw because look at the way it is. Like it is, okay, wait, let me show from here. See, it is all tattered and come out. I've tried to maintain them. इसको भी मैंने अच्छे से पहना है. ये देखो, पूरा leather is coming off. है ना? The condition is like really bad, and they are now tight on me also. They are not 41
Definitely
size.
throw away.
Yeah, let's just say goodbye. Okay, so all of these I'm gonna keep. They are in good condition and I wear them. This has started to fade off, but I still wear them a lot. They are from West Side. I bought them years ago on sale. These are brand new. These are a little old, but I wore them. So all of these I'm keeping. These are beautiful, but I just wore them to a birthday party and the sole has come off. So this again is going to Mochi, and he will fix it and I can wear them again. So this one are going to Mochi. These all are for keeps.
And this also needs to be given to Mochi.
No, this I don't want.
No, we're
No,
giving.
This for you I'm keeping, na? Okay, so these ones I don't wear it and they are also a little short on me. But and as you can see, the halat is gone bad. But Inaya loves to play with them and like put them on and walk because it's platform heels, so it's very comfortable. So this I'm keeping for her to play with, but I don't wear it anymore. So yeah, that's all about it. I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to do with my boots over there. But for now, let's clean all of it. Okay, so this will go for wash. These are going to the Mochi to get repaired, and these ones, my shoes, so they are in amazing condition, almost amazing condition, a little bit over here, but they've been with me for 10 plus years now, 12 years I think around, and I'm keeping them in this. I'm very conflicted whether I should keep with them or not. So for now I've kept the boots and this both in this dabba, and if I don't touch them this year at all, like during winters, then I'm gonna definitely give it away. For now, this is how it is.